Okay, here's my torch system that I'm going to use. This is the Maintenance Welding Spray Torch. And I'm going to hook her up. Now for these little holes in thin material, they have all different types, first of all, of torch heads, which are these tips and these inserts that go into it right here. The smallest one they got is a 15. So you have to match them. It's got to be a 15 here and a 15 here. So this is the smallest that I got, which, like I said, this is what you use on thin. So you go ahead and set the things up and line them up. And there you go. Alright, that's going to be what I use to go in there and do my welding. So let's go ahead now. We're going to go ahead and heat the grill up and get the fire going to it and get this thing up to temperature and check with my heat gun. I just recently, before I started this, realized I might need a little more heat because of the nature of welding on thin metal. Let me turn the light out. So there you go, there's my flame. So I went in there and tried to do some modifications, open up the jets, try to get it where it would pump a little more heat. I'm hoping I can get a little more closer to 800 as I'm going to be in there on some thin material. I guess we'll just have to see. Alright. She's a-cooking right now. Looks like I might have to close this door. It's starting to get a little windy and we can't have that. This is going to suck. Okay, reason why I had to close them doors, you cannot have that cold air blowing in there. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to plug the hole. We've got to do the holes first because as the heat's applying to it, if there's an area here that's going to bust through, this is when we're going to find out. Let's see. Boy, I tell you what, it's getting so hot right up here where this camera is. I almost hate to get my camera right in this. I can't tell you how hot this is. Let's see if I can make a pass out of it with this camera like this in this position.